In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Telegram error quickly and easily. If Telegram is not working properly, showing an error or not responding, this simple method usually fixes the issue in just a few seconds. This works on both Android and iPhone, and it doesn't require reinstalling the app. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Now, let's get started. First, make sure Telegram is completely closed. Don't just minimize it, fully close the app so it's not running in the background. On Android, remove it from recent apps. On iPhone, swipe it away from the app switcher. Once Telegram is closed, wait for about 2 to 3 seconds. This short pause helps reset the app session and clear temporary glitches. After waiting, open Telegram again normally. In many cases, the error will be gone and the app will start working correctly. If the error is still there, don't worry. Sometimes Telegram errors are caused by temporary server issues. In that case, simply wait a few minutes and try again later. Telegram usually resolves these issues automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix a Telegram error in the easiest way possible. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.